am very, very, very happy to be here. What strikes me is the number of the seminarians who are studying here in this college, which means that at least in some areas vocation are growing, the number of vocation is growing. It is, I think, looking at the international, the world scenario is a very encouraging news. Then I am happy that, of course, they have this new area just to perform their duty, their task, but especially because this is a sign, according to me, to what I have seen and what I can understand, is a sign of a growing in a number of vocation, and I hope also that is a growing in the quality of the vocation, especially missionary vocation, as Pope Francis asked the priest and all the ministry of the church and all the church to be really at the service of the evangelization of our world and at the service especially of the poorer and the most vulnerable people in the world. I think that being in Rome is more what they are receiving from what they are giving, especially this sense of the Catholicity of the Church, the sense of a special relation with the Holy Father. Of course, I think that they are also giving something to the universal church. If you see, for instance, the beauty of this liturgy, this is something I think that is special of the American, and the way they are organizing things, the sense of the organization. And also the fact that they are really giving their life to the church. That is another thing that I perceived in this milieu, in this atmosphere.